Hello everyone, this is Chitra here and I talk about books, I talk about series. So my last episode was about Mossad. It's a book. Mossad is actually an intelligence agency based in Israel, and in this episode I'll be sharing a few series from Netflix which are inspired by the true events. Options for similar stories of Mossad is Operation Finale, available on Netflix, and it talks about Adolf Hitchman, who was a Nazi war criminal, and how Mossad planned to catch him and do whatever was good and was in their control. It's a very interesting story. One available on Netflix again is The Angel. It's a film. It's based on an Egyptian billionaire. His name was Ashraf, and he basically got into a very high stake risk by playing a role of spy by Mossad, going to Egypt, and again having been talked about him, it was said that he worked as a double agent. So this makes it like really interesting for a film. There's a series on Netflix, The Spy, and it talks about an Israeli clerk who turned secret agent, and he went to Syria before 1967, the Six-Day War between Syria and Israel, and how he turned things around for the country. It talks about it, and Ali Cohen was his name, and he was really recognized for this achievement. The Red Sea Diving Resort. It's available on Netflix and also on Amazon Prime. It talks about a rescue operation for Ethiopian Jewish, and how they were rescued after a civil war, which was difficult for Jewish to, when it was like difficult for Jewish to leave the country. They had planned a, that's it from my side. There are like lot many films and series inspired by Mossad, but these are like my personal favorites. You can let me know in the comment section that what are your favorites, or if any suggestion you guys have. Thank you for being around. Keep watching.